be a really busy week. We're gonna have our first IGL Coatings Ecocoat Kenzo installation this week. I'm in here just working on unboxing this kit. Here we have the base coat. This is a 4-year coating. We have the top coat right here. Then we have, of course, pre-coat. We have the foam pad, applicator pad. We have the nozzle for the pre-coat. Then as we open and go through these amazing ceramic coating kit, we have the application guide. Here we have 2 folders with a thank you from IGL for each customer with their warranty cards and everything else. We got 2 of them. We also have the stickers for the vehicles, so we're gonna be working on. We have the keychain for the customer. I mean, we only have one, so you know, I decide who we want to give it to. We got some marketing materials. You got a microfiber 300 GSM rag. We have some applicator pad cloths, and yeah, this is it. This is what the kits come with. Like I said before, this is a 4-year coating. This is a flagship from IGL. Here at Joe Auto Spa, we are the only authorized installers for Kenzo in the Central Texas area, mainly Killeen area in Texas.
No, I'll leave it.